Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Skool for your coaching business from start to finish. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, this method works. First, sign up on Skool and create your own community. This is where your coaching clients will join, interact, and access your materials. Next, pick a niche for your coaching. This could be business, fitness, life coaching, or any area where people need guidance. The more focused, the better results you'll get. Now, start uploading content. This can be videos, PDFs, lessons, or worksheets. Organize it into modules or steps so your clients can follow easily. Then set your membership or course price. Only paying clients should be able to access your coaching content. This creates your revenue stream. Finally, engage your clients. Respond to questions, give feedback, and post new lessons regularly. Promote your coaching community on social media and email to grow it over time. And that's it. Using Skool for your coaching business is really that simple. Create content, set pricing, engage clients, and grow your business step by step.